rising from the earth like a metallic leviathan. This is China's $14 billion aviation marvel. Spanning the equivalent of dozens of city blocks, it is the largest single-building terminal on the planet. But its true secret lies deep beneath the surface, where high-speed trains blast through its foundations. Over 220,000 tons of steel were forged to hold the sky at bay. Despite its colossal size, the genius radial design guarantees no gate is more than an 8-minute walk. Located 46 kilometers south of the capital, it was built to relieve an overwhelmed aviation network. A master plan designed to handle up to 100 million passengers every single year. It features the world's first vertically stacked double-deck platforms for maximum efficiency. Constructed in just 4 astonishing years, it was a race against time and the elements. Every inch of the structure was calculated to flood the interior with natural, brilliant light. This is not just an airport. It is a sprawling, interconnected city of tomorrow. Equipped with invisible technological veins, tracking luggage and data at lightning speeds. The year was 2008, and Beijing's older airport was choking under extreme capacity. This is the definitive story of how China split the earth to build the mighty Starfish. The government demanded a secondary hub, triggering years of intense planning and design. By late 2014, the heavy machinery finally broke ground on the mega project. Phase 2 initiated a brutal excavation process, removing millions of tons of earth. They weren't just building an airport above, they were burying a massive transit hub below. To secure the enormous structure, thousands of extra-deep foundation piles were driven into the bedrock. Engineers faced a critical threat: the violent vibrations from high-speed trains running directly underneath. The solution was a revolutionary shock-absorbent layer engineered between the ground and basement floors. This completely isolated the terminal's foundation, earthquake-proofing the massive superstructure. With the subterranean fortress secured, the Starfish was ready to rise from the dirt. Phase 3 commenced the structural framework, demanding a staggering 1.6 million cubic meters of concrete. A silent army of machinery worked around the clock to raise the skeleton of the mega hub. The volume of concrete poured could fill hundreds of Olympic swimming pools. With the concrete set, it was time to assemble the 52,000 tons of structural steel. The entire central roof would be supported by just 8 massive, curving mega columns. Precision engineering was required to lock every massive steel artery into perfect alignment. These complex, twisting steel structures allowed for incredibly wide, column-free open spaces. Slowly, the sprawling, continuous steel roof began to take shape, enclosing the Starfish. The seamless steel structure distributes weight perfectly across the parabolic columns. Spanning the equivalent of 25 football fields, it is a triumph of modern architecture. Every connection was tested to withstand extreme weather and immense structural pressure. By 2018, the primary framework of the beast was finally complete. The 5 distinct concourses branched out, forming the unmistakable radial shape of the complex. Inside, the hollow shell was a cavernous expanse, waiting for its technological veins. Outside the terminal, Attention shifted to the massive infrastructure required to support the hub. 4 highly advanced civilian runways were paved, stretching for thousands of meters. A complex web of high-speed expressways was carved into the landscape to feed the airport. This ground transportation network seamlessly linked the airport to the surrounding megacities. The Beijing-Xiong'an Intercity Railway was integrated directly into the airport's subterranean core. Passengers could soon step off a bullet train and immediately enter the aviation gateway. The 200,000 square meter ground center was a masterpiece of logistics. Engineers introduced double-deck departure and arrival platforms to slash congestion. By vertically stacking the levels, the design revolutionized how millions of travelers navigate. Phase 4 focused on sealing the structure, turning a steel skeleton into a climate-controlled fortress. The interior fitting began, transforming raw engineering into a futuristic, flowing landscape. These skylights maximize natural lighting, plunging sunshine deep into the heart of the building. 8,000 individual windows were meticulously mapped and installed into the curved roof. The interior was polished to a mirror finish, echoing the fluid dynamics of the architecture. Looking down the massive arms, the sheer scale of the unpopulated corridors is breathtaking. Next came the installation of the cutting-edge technological systems that would run the city. Radio frequency identification systems were embedded to track millions of bags with flawless precision. State-of-the-art facial recognition technology formed an invisible, impenetrable security net. On the tarmac, the precision lines of the civilian runways were painted and prepped for impact. The central nervous system of the airport, the control tower, stood ready to command the skies. Complex radar and tracking systems underwent rigorous, automated operational testing. As the project neared completion, the structure was powered on, glowing like a beacon in the night. By the end of June 2019, the incredible structure was structurally complete. It was a monumental achievement, turning a blueprint into a 72 million passenger hub. The interior featured lush indoor landscapes, a serene contrast to the massive steel overhead. Endless avenues of high-end retail and dining spaces were built directly into the radial arms. Every detail was optimized for flow, ensuring passengers never felt lost in the colossal space. The absolute furthest boarding gate was engineered to be no more than a short 600-meter walk. Massive glass facades dissolved the barrier between the terminal and the aircraft outside. Dozens of automated boarding bridges were locked into position, waiting for the massive fleets. The Starfish wasn't just built for Beijing. It was an anchor for the entire Tianjin and Hebei region. The Daxing Airport Express connected the terminal to the deep city in under 20 minutes. Sitting 65 kilometers away, it formed a dual hub system to dominate global aviation. Deep inside its mechanical heart, the life support systems of the mega structure roared to life. No expense was spared in crafting an environment of absolute futuristic luxury. The sprawling departure halls were engineered to swallow massive crowds without a hint of bottleneck.
It was custom-built to serve as the primary fortress for major global carrier alliances.
The engineering marvel was finally ready to accept the largest aircraft ever constructed. After 54 months of relentless, mechanized labor, the impossible had been achieved. The radial starfish design stood as a testament to the power of human ingenuity and machine precision. It is a structure that commands the landscape, defying the scale of traditional engineering. Even the outer perimeters and vehicle facilities were designed with staggering, brutalist scale. Every glass panel, every steel joint, flawlessly executed. From its quake-proof roots to its light-flooded canopy, it is an unbreakable monolith. The structural columns look less like engineering and more like massive, organic, metallic trees. Walking through the terminal feels like stepping onto a sprawling space station. September 25th, 2019. The gates were finally thrown open. The first megajets locked into the bridges, signaling the activation of the global hub. Instantly connecting the Chinese capital to major destinations across Europe and Asia. A silent ballot of automated ground support equipment keeps the colossal machine running. Border control relies on seamless, frictionless technology to process thousands in minutes. The symmetry of the 5 wings is a masterpiece of geometric perfection. Hidden behind the smooth white panels lies a massive labyrinth of environmental controls. Even the exterior negative spaces were engineered to provide moments of tranquil isolation. Together, millions of individual components form a single, terrifyingly massive organism, expanding its capacity to accommodate up to 100 million passengers and massive cargo fleets. And the starfish is not yet done growing. Future phases will expand to 7 total runways. It is a sprawling monument to the absolute limit of modern construction speeds. By night, the interior transforms into a glowing, futuristic cavern, where every piece of luggage is routed through invisible, high-speed, subterranean networks. The integration of national high-speed rail directly beneath the floors remains unprecedented. The main entrance welcomes the world into the belly of the architectural Leviathan. Even amidst the heaviest storms, the massive hub remains an immovable beacon, capable of holding entire armadas of the world's largest commercial aircraft. A space so immense, it redefines the physics of passenger travel. At its core, a central hub that acts as the heart of the entire operation. A vital artery pumping life into the sprawling mega-region of northern China. A triumph of unified civil engineering, connecting road, rail, and sky. It dwarfs nearly every other transit facility ever constructed by mankind. From a massive crater in the Earth to the pinnacle of global aviation. The Beijing Daxing International Airport stands as a monument to sheer willpower. An infrastructure mega project that reshaped the very Earth it was built upon. The future of transit has arrived.